question was whether MySpace is infringing the copyright. But the court said MySpace is only a website which permits people to put copyright works on the website. So all that MySpace can do is, if you tell them, if T-Series tells MySpace that this is an infringing copy, they'll take it down. They themselves don't have the responsibility to keep monitoring it. So this is a new thing. Like, for example, suppose one of you tries to upload any copyrighted material on YouTube. Someone can put a complaint, and those are called, I think there's a particular word for it. Strikes. Copyright strikes. So copyright strikes can be put on YouTube, and then that particular video will be taken down. And if it's taken down, then you and the other person have to go and fight in court. So this new internet-based copyright industry is creating lots of challenges and lots of avenues for revenues as well. So today, any original production can go on YouTube and you can earn revenues without even worrying about it. Because the more views you get, the more revenue is generated, and the artist is compensated for it. Let's look at the next case. Okay, so who is the owner in the case of a copyrighted work? Suppose there is a producer of a movie. There are 100 artists who are in that movie: the script writer, the screenplay writer, the lyricist of the songs, the singers, the actors, everyone. But the person who commissions all of them is the owner of the copyright. This is under Section 17 of the Act. Yes. So this was a case where there was a movie called Bali, and this Surya was saying that they've only given me credit, but that is not enough. And the court said, yes, if he has written the screenplay, you have to acknowledge it definitely. You cannot not acknowledge this, right? So these kind of cases come to court every day. Now look at this song. In this, what happened? He's a very well-known singer. Can you all name him? Satinder Pal. Yeah. So he came to court, and I remember I was in the IP division when this case came. And what happened was, Satinder had given the right in that Jalsa song to two parties, and then those two parties were fighting, and then there was a third thing, this Akshay Kumar movie came in. What is this movie called? I think it's the movie where there's this gentleman who, in a mine, saves a lot of people. It's based on a real... Raniganj, Mission Raniganj. Yes.
Mission Raniganj.
This was the movie. In that, the Jalsa song was there. And Satinder Pal had sung that song for the movie. The case came to court, and the problem that the court was facing was, he had given the rights to one company earlier, and then he had also sung the same song for the Mission Raniganj. So in this case, what happened was, the movie was allowed to retain the song, but the singer was made to deposit 25 lakhs in the court to safeguard the rights of the plaintiff. So this is what happened in this case. Now this is another case which is still pending. Now in this case, there is A.R. Rahman on the one hand, and Wasifuddin Dagar on the other hand. So this is about this movie called, it starts with P, it's that famous movie, the Tamil movie. So there is a movie song called Veera Raja Veera in that, and that song, the Dagar brother is saying that it's based on the Shiva Stuti. So the only issue in that is whether that particular raga and tal can be monopolized, or whether that particular composition has been infringing or not. So such big cases also come to court in copyright. Now what one cannot do, whoever is the owner or the author, is you cannot kind of spoil the song, spoil the painting, do bad things to it. So there was an interesting case of Anil Kapoor. So what happened was, Anil Kapoor's image and jackass was being used to make porn films on the internet. So this was protected, Anil Kapoor's rights were protected in this. And there's another, and they were selling Anil Kapoor's, T-marks with his image and everything. So this was protected. And next is a case where Arijit Singh, some AI program was being used to generate the same voice as Arijit Singh. So the AI program